What's up, Dream Team?
It's your Guffer Team, the Dream.
And Chris MV back on the scene
with another video. We back on our grind. Stay glued to the screen. It's reaction time.
Hey.
So today we're bringing you guys
the viral New York City subway singer finally gets the stage he deserves. America's Got Talent 2017. I've seen this dude on the trains a couple of times. Like, you feel me? If you see it on our channel, you see how, you know, you feel me? I used to be a subway performer. You know what I'm saying? Raising money for studio time and all that stuff. So I just see this run to this dude. It's cool to see him on here. Let's see. Let's see what's going on.
I'm 50-something.
Okay. What do you do for a living?
I've been singing in the subway for roughly 30-some years.
37?
That's a good thing.
If you don't mind me asking this question, tell me what was the low point?
The low point is on a Monday or a Tuesday, you don't make that much. But people get paid on Thursday and Friday, and they make up for it.
Okay, it makes sense. Tell me why you decided to enter America's Got Talent.
Yeah, because my old job, I used to get paid on Wednesdays.
Well, you know, success is what you make it, right? But there's no better stage, there's no better place to be than right here. You know?
That's a nice thing to say.
Simon don't even look like he interested.
Man, like another subway singer.
Whoa, my love, my darling, I hunger for your touch.
Okay, you sound good though.
You always sound good.
Lonely time. And time goes by so slowly, and time
He has great tone.
can do so
You gotta hit them
much.
riffs with that jaw movement. You better keep moving that jaw.
Are you still mine? I need your love. I need your love. God, speed your love to me.
Every bone in his body for that word.
That's good.
Yeah, boy.
Thank you.
First of all, I want to say I liked it, even though at times it sounded a little bit rough around the edges, but I didn't mind it.
How would you know supermodel to Heidi? Shut up.
I can feel that really every word that you sang
why they be
meant
having
something,
people that
you know, and I
don't
think that is
sing
also
and
very,
can't
very
sing.
You go for the looks.
Judge.
Like, you know how,
Like, I don't
you know,
understand.
these looks.
Singing competition.
Oh my God!
You gotta have
I
a whole package
gotta
to sing.
say,
You can't just sing. You gotta
whatever
have
Heidi
looks,
is referring to as the roughness
personality.
is what I love that enveloped me. You
I don't know
know,
what he's saying.
you made
It's an old
every
school
word so simple, so
But the
count.
Spice Girl,
If
I
this
can hear her
show
say
can
some
give
shit that
you
Heidi
the
said.
next level of
She don't say
fame,
that, I
I'm
don't
telling
wanna hear
you,
what Heidi gotta say.
the train has left the building. You are on the next level.
Well, I'm going to be honest. Look, you do have a great, incredible voice.
I just love her
Having
Spice
said
Girl.
that, there is a difference in somebody singing on the subway to somebody singing on the stage of America's Got Talent. There is that gap that you have to bridge. I just don't think you're quite there.
What?
If you understand what I mean.
She ain't there. Scary Spice ain't
You know
there.
what's
Like, what
ironic
you talking
here,
about?
Mike?
Look at
I
your
was
career.
listening to something that Mel was playing during the break, which was a piece of auto-tuned junk.
Thank you. You trying to stay hip.
And this is the real deal.
Facts.
Yeah.
He acted his age. Come on that one.
Simon said it was a piece of auto-tune junk.
Junk. Man, I'm sure she did present him with some trying to sound like she's 20. No,
Well,
her ass
guys-
is like 70 years old.
She's not that old. She probably like in her early 40s.
I don't know about these industry motherfuckers.
She's like in her early 40s.
She's like 70.
But that looked like that's the end of that video. Comment down below your thoughts. If you know any more, what is this, America's Got Talent videos you guys like to see our reactions to, just comment down below. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Hit that button, goddamn.
Make sure you guys notifications is on. So when we upload the video.
You get it first.
Follow us on our social media. My Instagram, my Twitter is Fating the Dream. My Snapchat is Strawberry2219.
My Instagram is Chris_Envy. My Twitter is CEnvyMusic.
Also, don't forget to comment down below any type of questions, challenges, reaction videos you guys like to see us do. We have no problem presenting them to you.
None whatsoever.
And like we always say, guys,
Love, sex, and paychecks.
deuces.
Holla at us.